Hi, you Daniel?
Yes, I am Daniel.
Oh,
Are you
hi.
Joe?
Yeah, I am. Nice to meet you.
Lovely
Hi.
to meet you too,
Hi.
Joe. How are you?
Yeah, good.
God, can you smell that? What is that?
No? Is it the food?
I could smell her coming. When we shook hands, her hands were really oily. It was a little bit, it was quite strange.
So I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna go straight in for burgers. You have to order your chips separately. It's a bit annoying, but they're really good.
Should we share a salad?
I'm not that fussed about salad, but like crack on by all means. Yeah.
Coleslaw?
Yeah, I might put some in the burger. Yeah, actually, let's get salad and coleslaw, and I can put some in with my burger.
In with the burger.
Add to the texture.
Oh God, that went all over the table.
There we are.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think you actually just got a little bit on me.
Oh, here. Do you want to use my tissue?
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
I just used it once.
Oh wow, that's really sticky. Not really for me, if I'm honest. Her personal hygiene was pretty gross.
So what do you do, Daniel? Tell me about yourself. You've got a bit of burger on your plate that I'm gonna. Here, try some of this.
Oh.
This is really nice. Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Open wide.
yeah.
Open wide.
Oh.
Great.
Oh, it's really salty.
Yeah, it's nice to have well seasoned. Yeah.
What, the lettuce?
Yeah. So what is it that you do again, Daniel? I can't remember if you told me or not.
I work in advertising, actually.
Wow, fancy. Yeah. What does that mean?
Oh, we work with lots of different accounts. We have we work with an Italian restaurant chain. We actually have a brand of tissues as well.
Really?
Yeah, which you might be interested in.
Oh.
It did not. She dropped a burger on the floor and picked it up and carried on eating midway through the date. Very nice. Delicious, yeah.
I'm just going to get some mayo and ketchup and stuff because I like all the sauces.
Oh, we've got 2 bottles.
Okay, cool. Let me just... Great. Great.
Oh my God.
Oh. Waste not, want not.
Oh, but that fell on the floor.
It's all right, I'm sure it's clean.
Okay. I was going to say, actually, you've got... You also have a little bit on your face.
Yeah.
Yeah, and on the other side.
Yeah.
It's all over.
It's quite charming though, isn't it? It's kind of endearing, isn't it, if I've got food all over my face?
Kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of. There won't be a second date, no. That most certainly won't.